Good evening, my friends and my followers, my subscribers. It's been a while since I made the last video, and I wanted to make a video for you. I was a little busy with my other things and other commitments anyway. Today I would like to touch upon the 4 different types of sentence structures, which is very important for your IELTS exam. You need to be aware, you need to know how to structure different sentences, So to begin with, or for starter, let me talk about the first one. Simple sentence. As you can see, a simple sentence contains a subject, person, or performing an action, and predicate. Predicate is a verb or verbal phrase that describes the action, right? So it contains a subject and expresses a complete thought as an independent clause. Simple sentence has one independent clause and a subject-verb agreement in simple words. Simple sentence do not contain simple sentences do not contain dependent or subordinate clauses. I will make a video on dependent and independent clauses, but I'll just briefly touch upon the fact that how to differentiate between dependent and independent clauses. The dependent clause is the one which doesn't give you a complete thought sense, and the independent clause which can stand alone by itself and which gives you a complete thought. That's the difference between the two. Moving to the next one, that is compound sentences. Compound sentence is a sentence that contains 2 or more independent clauses joined by either a linking word such as conjunction or semicolon. Put simply, a compound sentence links together 2 simple sentences, which are sentences with 1 independent clauses. So they should be like adjoining words, like you can say coordinating conjunctions, like right and for, so yet and so that is what the compound sentence is all about. So the next structure is complex sentences. So complex sentence is a sentence with 1 independent clause, also known as the main clause, and 1 or more dependent clause, known as subordinate clauses, right? So when the dependent clause is the first in the sentence, a comma will connect the clause. Other complex sentences link the independent and independent clauses with subordinating conjunctions. And the first one we said is coordinating conjunctions. In this case, we have subordinating conjunctions like when, how, if, although, these kind of things, after. These are all subordinating conjunctions, right? So complex sentence is a sentence which has 1 independent clause and 1 or 2 or more dependent clauses, right? That is complex sentence. The last type of the sentence structure is compound complex sentences. A compound complex sentence contains at least 3 clauses, and what are those? 2 independent clauses and 1 or more dependent clause. It should have 2 independent clauses, I repeat, and 1 or more dependent clauses, which equates to 3 sets of subjects and verb, right? So this type of sentence is a combination of compound sentence with a complex sentence, right? So compound complex sentence will typically be joined together with a coordinating conjunction like nor, if, yes, yet, so, the FANBOYS, as you would use in a compound sentence, with the comma placed immediately before the coordinating conjunctions. I hope you understand the sentence structure. Today we have 4 different types of sentence structures, simple, compound, complex, and complex compound. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel because there will be some more useful videos coming up in the future for you guys. I'm gonna help you. If you have any queries, you can ask me without any hesitation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to your friends. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.